everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important notification from Baba Atomic Research Center for the recruitment of scientific officer. ACE Engineering Academy is offering online test series for this scientific officer recruitment from 1st February 2025, dear students. There will be 5 full-length mock tests. So, the streams for these examination are electronics and communication, electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering and computer science and information technology. The fee for this online test series is 200 rupees plus GST, dear students. All tests will be available till BARC 2025 examination. Okay, for more details, you can scan this QR code and enter into our website and get the registration process over there. And you can call to 7799996602 if you have any doubts, or you can put a mail to help@ace.online. Okay, now let us see the details of this notification. So, coming to the details of this notification, you have to go to the URL barc.gov.in/careers/recruitment.html. So, this is the website URL to which you have to go. There you can find the advertisement number R14. So, you can see this advertisement here, R14. So, Baba Atomic Research Center training schools invite engineering graduates and scientific postgraduates to apply for recruitment of scientific officers Group A post of Government of India through its training programs OCES 2025 and DGFS 2025. So, here the last date to apply is 26th January 2025, dear students, and here he has given click here to apply online. So, when you click here to apply online, in this you can observe a page will open, and here it is clearly mentioned BARC invites the applications for the following 2 programs. In that, the first program, so the first program is OCES/DGFS 2025 recruitment program. The second program is for PhD candidates, PhD admission process, dear students. So, we need to concentrate on this. It is a recruitment program for the recruitment as scientific officers in Department of Atomic Energy after successful completion of 1-year orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates for the year 2025-2026, dear students, to be conducted at the BARC training schools. Few of the candidates selected for OCES program will be offered for 2-year DAE graduate fellowship scheme for engineering graduates for the years 2025 to 2027. So, this is DGFS 2025. Under this scheme, engineering graduates who have excelled in the selection interviews for the BARC training schools programs and who have also independently secured admission for MTech in DGFS institutes. So, IIT Bombay and IIT Madras in the same academic year in which they are selected for OCES are paid stipend and tuition fee to pursue MTech degree while retaining their employment in DAE. So, this is about this recruitment program basic outline, dear students. So, there is a higher education part also involved in this. So, try to go through the notification in detail. So, if you click here, you can get the information brochure, dear students. So, the information brochure is here. I will explain about the information. So, first of all, in order to apply for this, here you need to click I have read and understood the above information and instruction carefully and agreed to it. So, once you go there and click apply for OCES/DGFS 2025 recruitment program, starting date is 2nd January 2025 and last date is 26th January 2025. So, you need to click here. So, here a window will open. Now, you can observe all the important dates here, dear students. Carefully go through the important dates here. Commencement of online application process for OCES DGFS 2025, 2nd January 2025. Last date for registration for online application 26 January 2025. Correction window for online application. So, correction window for online application is in between 7th February 2025 to 14th February 2025 and allocation of online exam venue for the candidates who are eligible for online examination. So this is between 15th February 2025 to 22nd February 2025, and download of admit card hall ticket for the candidates who confirm their participation in online examination. 25th February 2025 onwards, you will be getting admit card hall ticket. Then online examination is on 8th March and 9th March 2025, dear students. Then upload of GATE score 2025 for candidates to applied on the basis of GATE 2025. So this is between 17th March 2025 to 24th March 2025, dear students. Display of list of candidates shortlisted for the selection interview on online application portal first week of April 2025. Availability based option on online application portal to select interview slot for shortlisted candidates is between 17th April 2025 to 24th April 2025, and selection interviews are in the month of May. 19th May 2025 to 13th June 2025 it will be there. Then display of list of candidates finally selected for OCES 2025 on online application portal last week of June 2025, and last date for selected OCES candidates desirous of DGFS to give details of MTech admission in the selected DGFS institute, that is first week of July 2025. So if any student wants to go for MTech admission, so that should be given by first week of July 2025. Declaration of list of applicants selected for DGAF 2025 on application portal, online application portal second week of July 2025, and pre-employment medical test for selected candidates OCES DGFS 2025 is in between 24th July 2025 to 31st July 2025, and commencement of OCES 2025 is on 1st August 2025, dear students. So complete details he has given, the dates and what are the process that will be there, everything is displayed here, dear students. Then you can observe here frequently asked questions for online registration process. If you have any doubts and all, you can go through these frequently asked questions for that. Then information brochure, already it is there, and detailed advertisement is also given here. So you can see the URL clearly, barcocesexam.in/BARC CBT November 2024/index.php. So this is there. So already I have shown you from where you can go there. Then here the option is given, click here for new registration. So once you click here for new registration, here preliminary information is there, then basic information, then qualification related information, screening, documents upload, preview and payment. Everything is displayed here, dear students. 7 steps are there. So kindly go through the process carefully. So in the initial step, you can see salutation is there, Mr., Mrs., all these things it is there. OCES applied discipline, which discipline you are applying, you can go through that. First name, confirm first name, middle name, last name, surname or family name, full name will be displayed here. Then you need to give mobile number, alternate mobile number, then email ID, and you have to confirm the email ID and security code. So once you do this and click on submit, then you will get the login details. So then you have to go back to the login page. So you have to go to the login process and enter user ID, password will be there, security code will be there. So you have to enter all the details, dear students. Okay. Then coming to the information brochure. So here you can observe recruitment of scientific officers in the Department of Atomic Energy, Group A, post of Government of India through Baba Atomic Research Center training schools. So information brochure is there here, dear students. You can see training schemes and employment description, grade and pay scale, selection process, eligibility criteria, disciplines, everything is given. About online examination, the details, then important dates already we have discussed, and list of exam cities was also given. So here he has given the information like this. So BARC training schools provide 2 training programs. OCES 2025 and DGFS 2025 to the deserving candidates ambitious of pursuing a rewarding career in nuclear science, engineering and technology, who would relish challenges in frontier areas of science and technology, who would like to be part of expanding program of nuclear power research, reactors, accelerators and nuclear fuel cycle technologies. So, who would enjoy pursuing innovative research in frontiers of engineering, physics, chemistry, biosciences and geology. So, the two training programs are orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. So, this is called OCES, and DAE, Graduate Fellowship Scheme for Engineering Graduates. So, successful completion of the training schemes guarantees employment as Scientific Officer C in one of the DAE units or Atomic Energy Regulatory Board with attractive career progression opportunities up to the higher echelons. Okay, so this is what is the information given, dear students, at the beginning. So, here 1 year orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates for the academic year 2025-2026 should be mentioned here. Okay, will be conducted at the two BARC training schools which are situated in Mumbai and Hyderabad. Okay, so this program training will be happening in Mumbai and Hyderabad here. So, tables 1A and 1B provides the list of OCES screening disciplines and their corresponding eligible qualifying degree for the OCES 2025 program. So, here a trainee scientific officer who scores minimum 35% in individual subject and minimum 50% aggregate marks on overall basis on the completion of training program is declared to have passed the course successfully. Successful TSOs. So, TSOs means trainee scientific officer, dear students. Remember this, because most of the times in this notification TSO will be mentioned. Okay, so successful TSOs will be posted as Scientific Officer C in one of the following DAE units. So, there are many DAE units here, you can see Baba Atomic Research Center Mumbai, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research Kalpakam, okay, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center Kolkata, Heavy Water Board Mumbai. Like this, there are so many organizations in which you will be posted. Okay, so kindly go through this information, dear students. Next, trainee scientific officers in engineering disciplines who successfully complete the training program and whose performance meet the minimal eligibility criteria, okay, are allowed to enroll for MTech in Homi Bhabha National Institute, a deemed to be university. Other TSUs may enroll for postgraduate diploma of HBNI and would be issued PGD if their academic performance is above a specified threshold. Okay, so trainee scientific officers can apply for MTech or postgraduate diploma programs, dear students. So, this is also an important information and a golden opportunity for you. Okay, coming to DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for Engineering Graduates, 2-year DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for Engineering Graduates for the academic session beginning in 2025. Under this scheme, engineering graduates who have excelled in selection interviews for the BARC training school programs and who have independently secured admission for MTech in select institutes and specializations in the same academic year in which they are selected for OCES are paid stipend and tuition fee to pursue a MTech degree while retaining their employment in DAE. So, this is one more important thing. So, stipend will be provided and tuition fee also will be provided, dear students. Kindly go through that. After successful completion of 1-year coursework at the institute, DGFS fellows undertake project work which is assigned by DAE and supervised jointly by DAE and the DGFS institute guide. Okay, during the MTech course, candidates have to be involved in teaching apprenticeship program as per the terms and conditions of the DGFS institute. On successful completion of MTech, DGFS fellows are posted as Scientific Officer C in DAE. Appointment of DAE units shall be as Group A Gazetted Officer of the Government of India. So, this is about the DAE scheme, dear students. So, kindly go through that. Okay. So, the placement of the DGFS fellows on successful completion of DGFS program will only be at BARC. In case of fellows who complete their MTech at IIT Bombay, and IGCAR in case of fellows who complete their MTech in IIT Madras. Okay, placement can be at any of the BARC facilities located in different parts of India. Allocation of a DGFS fellow to a DAE unit is done at the beginning of the MTech program based on the needs of DAE's programs and their selection interview merit. And most important thing here, dear students, the stipend. So OCES TSOs are paid a stipend of 74,000 rupees per month during the period of their training and one-time book allowance of 30,000 rupees. DGFS fellows are paid a stipend of 75,000 per month for 2 years and reimbursed the tuition fee for MTech and are additionally paid a one-time contingency grant of 60,000 per annum for 2 years to meet the MTech project related expenses along with additional funding up to a sum of 4 lakhs under the BRNS fast track project scheme to purchase equipment consumables deemed necessary for completion of MTech project. Okay, and this is also very important, dear students. Boarding and lodging in DAE hostel is mandatory for OCES TSOs during the training period. Boarding and lodging in DGFS Institute hostel is mandatory for DGFS fellows during MTech program. Okay, so you can't stay outside, dear students. You have to stay in the premises hostels only. Okay, so try to go through this stipend and the other allowances carefully, dear students. And selected candidates are required to execute an agreement and a personal indemnity bond to serve DAE for at least 3 years after completion of training. Indemnity bond, which consists of stipend, tuition fees paid to the DGFS Institute and contingency grant along with additional funding up to a sum of 4 lakhs under the BRNS fast track project scheme to purchase equipment consumables deemed necessary for completion of MTech project as per actual paid. No third party surety is required, dear students. So kindly go through this information very carefully. And coming to the scale of pay, so here appointment in all the units shall be as a scientific officers SOC in the level of level 10 rupees 56,100 of the 7th Central Pay Commission pay matrix. It is given, dear students. Appointment will be at the beginning of the pay scale with OCES TSUs getting 2 or 3 increments depending on their performance during the OCES program and DGFS fellows getting 3 or 4 increments depending on their performance in the MTech and 4-month orientation course for DGFS fellows, dear students. So DGFS fellows whose performance in the MTech and OCDF program is below specified threshold will get 0 increments. So monthly emoluments with 3 increments at the time of joining, including dearness allowance, house rent allowance and transport allowance at the present Mumbai rate will be approximately 1,34,000 rupees, dear students. So this is about the pay scale. Okay, right. So also a comprehensive contributory health service scheme or equivalent for employees and their dependent family members is available at all the DAE units. So kindly go through that. And coming to the selection process here. So screening for selection interviews is based on 3 alternative screening channels he has given. So let me explain those screening channels. Online examination will be conducted in March 2025 in each of the 8 engineering disciplines. Okay, and 4 science disciplines, so that were mentioned later. So candidates who register for online examination will be allotted one of the preferred examination centers chosen by them. A link will be provided to all the valid registered candidates to confirm their participation in the online examination. Once they confirm their participation, the allotment will be done on first come first serve basis. Confirmation of their participation in BARC online exam CBT is mandatory for issuing the admit card. Travel allowance is not paid for appearing in the online examination. All candidates appearing for the BARC online examination will be awarded a BARC online examination score. Candidates will be screened in for selection interview on the basis of online examination score. So this is the first method, dear students. Then on the basis of GATE score, so candidates who meets all the eligibility criteria as mentioned in the section 4 will be screened in the selection interview on the basis of GATE 2023, GATE 2024 or GATE 2025 score in applicable GATE subject. So this is the second method. On the basis of CGPA score of CEBS and NISCR. So students graduating with a master's degree in physics, chemistry and biosciences from University of Mumbai, Department of Atomic Energy Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences. This is called CEBS, dear students, and National Institute of Science Education and Research, NISCR, which is located in Bhubaneswar, in the academic year 2023, 2024, 2024, 2025 and whose cumulative grade performance average, so CGPA, is greater than 7.5, greater than or equal to 7.5 on a scale of 10 will be directly screened in the selection interview stage, provided they meet all other eligibility requirements, okay, of the OCES DGFS 2025 program. It is to be noted that this option of being screened in based on CGPA can be exercised only once. Okay, one who has already been screened in the previous year through this channel or option will not be considered for screening through this mode, but they may apply through other two screening modes. Okay, so kindly go through this information carefully, dear students. Okay, so on the time of application, eligible candidates can choose any one or more than one of the above mentioned screening options, as the cutoff gate scores for screening in the selection interviews will be finalized only after the conclusion of the online examination. Candidates are advised to maximize their chance of being screened in the selection interview by availing or more than one of the screening channels or options. So that means you can avail more than one option of the screening process, dear students. So either you can go with gate score and online examination or CGPA score of CEBS or NISCR if applicable and detailed above. So candidates who opt for screening through online examination will be allotted to one of the exam cities of their choice during the online registration subject to availability. On completion of application process, a link will be provided on the application portal for the candidates to confirm the allotted city of their three choices of test centers cities whose chosen during online application, and subsequently admit card hall ticket will be generated for download on the same. Okay, so alerts by email as well as SMS and or social media message will be sent to all the candidates who have opted for the online examination to confirm their participation in the online examination. Okay, so kindly go through these information carefully, dear students. And selection interviews of shortlisted candidates will be conducted in Mumbai in all disciplines except geology and Hyderabad in geology topic. Outstation applicants will be paid two-way normal AC 3-tier train fare to attend selection interview, dear students. So this is about the process. So probable period of selection interviews will be between May to June 2025. So already the dates I have mentioned earlier, so kindly go through that. And coming to the eligibility criteria, he has given what is the eligibility criteria. So here BE, BTech, BSc Engineering 5-year integrated MTech with a minimum of 60% aggregate marks, okay, in the above mentioned 8 engineering disciplines or CGPA score is there. So GATE 2023, 2024, 2025 score in the same GATE paper or subject as the qualifying degree discipline. The applicable GATE paper subjects are listed below. So in table 1A, you can get the complete information and the options, dear students. So kindly go through this table 1A, so before applying for this examination. Okay, so you can go through this information brochure. So complete details are there available, okay, before applying in the online process. So try to go through the complete notification. What are the documents to be uploaded? You make a note of that and keep everything ready and then go for applying, dear students. Okay, thank you. All the very best.